Parents, teachers, students, the primary exit profile is an assessment that is developing a profile of our students, and with that we have some tips to help you get ready and just to settle the system while we enter the first phase of our assessment. Parents, you're encouraged to give your children moral support. The day before the exam, ensure that the children are relaxed. They don't need to be going through any books, any notes to get themselves extra nervous for the exam. Ensure that they are given a proper meal before entering the exam. Remind your children that when they enter the examination center, that they are to obey the rules of the center and to listen to the instruction, only what is given to them by the presiding examiners. They are to sit and use their own material. There should be no communication. For this year and moving forward, we have enclosed in our packages as well rough paper, so the children will be given rough work paper. There should be no mark that should be presented on the booklets that the children will be writing in. There's an additional paper. Remind your child that after completing the exam, they are to hand over all material that is used in the examination centers. Encourage your children to read carefully. They have 1 hour and 15 minutes to complete 40 single multiple choice questions. They are to spend the time. Do not rush. Take their time and go through to ensure that they are adequately covering and understanding what the questions are asking of them. Children, it is your day. Be relaxed. Obey the rules of your examination centers. Ensure that when you get a booklet, the booklet you would have received has your name on it. Put all your information into the booklet. Make sure when you make a change to your answers, you erase clearly and ensure that you answer all questions. There is only one answer for each question. I know that your teachers would have practiced you with multiple answers to some questions. For this exams, the ability test, there is only one answer per question. And all the information in the booklet would have been information that you would have been exposed to from grades 1 right up onto grade 4. So there's absolutely nothing in the booklet that we know you are unable to do. Students, check over your work before you hand in the booklet. Make sure that you would have completed all questions before you put your heads down. I know that some persons will rush through. We're asking the children not to rush. Do not look at the person beside you who would have completed and then you hurry to complete. The presiding examiners will advise you on the time that you have left to complete the assessment. Do not leave the examination center until you're advised to do so by the presiding examiners. Remain calm and do your best.